my chickadees, welcome back to the Back 40. It's Juju, and we are here with our day number 21 picking out for our junk journal January. Now, when it said picking out, my mind immediately went to and would not get off of Kathleen Meyer's pockets. She has a whole video where she does these different pockets and tuck spots and everything that she calls pickaboos, where your ephemera peeks out at the bottom or at, one part of the pocket or tuck. It peeks out at you. So that was it. I had to do it. So I was playing, in my mixed media. If you haven't saw that video, there's a video where it says where I play with the paint. And then there's a video that I show where I do the 5 things. This is a baby wipe that I cleaned up when I was doing all this paint across. And this is one of the things that you can use your baby wipes. It feels good too. So check those 2 videos out. But anyway, I made these cards. These are playing cards, but I took playing cards and I did the coloring on them, and then I did this texture painting on it with some stenciling and put them in here and made the little made the journal card to match, and you'll see that's what I made in the other video. And then I put it in here and it peeks out at the bottom at me. So that's it. That's my junk journal day. Okay, y'all have a good one. I'll see you on the next go round. Bye. I love you.